Good morning, friends and family. You see, yesterday we talked about conviction, that inner voice from God, and I urge you not to silence it, not to reason it away, but to let it lead you into honesty, integrity, and faithfulness. You see, today's message is titled, A Place for God to Dwell. Exodus chapter 25 verse 8 says, "Let them make me a sanctuary that I may dwell among them." I want to pause for a moment and think about it. You see, the God of the universe, the one who spoke galaxies into existence, did not want to remain far off in heaven. You see, he longed to live in the midst of his people. That is not just history, but it's God's heart for us today. A spiritual author once said, and puts it beautifully. She says the following: the building of the sanctuary to be the abiding place of his glory among them was another evidence of his desire to come near to his people. Patriarchs and Prophets, pages 343. You see, friends, God did not need gold, silver, or fine linen. What he wanted was willing hearts. True worship, friends, is never forced. It's an act of love. And the sanctuary itself pointed to Jesus Christ, the true dwelling place of God's with humanity. You see, in the book of John chapter 1:14, it says, "The Word was made flesh and dwelt among us." You see, friends, here's the conviction for us today. God still desires to dwell, not in the tent, but in our hearts. You see, friends, it is the privilege of every soul to be a living temple for the indwelling of the living God. Desire of Ages, pages 161. So the question is simple, but it's powerful. Have you made room for him? You see, friends, God is not asking for gold or silver today. He is asking for something greater, your heart willingly given. God bless.